This is going to be a yellow brochan. So brochan is like a porridge, but the yellow comes from the cornmeal. So, and again, we've got a great tradition of using cornmeal because it was sent during the famine, and we would call it Indian meal, or yellow meal. So this is going to be like a yellow porridge. So we start off with some milk. So, and you're using sort of 3 times the volume of liquid to 1 of the cornmeal or the Indian meal. Some honey, just to sweeten this. Now we put a wee bit of honey in the end. So this is a lovely heather honey. So just into the pan and let this come up to the boil. So this was I'm making this sweet, but which wouldn't be that traditional because normally it was it would have been like a gruel. So made, and it would have been served as sustenance really more than anything else, but I'm making this nice and sweet, and we're going to finish it off with some lovely raspberries and a bit of cream. So this is just a kind of a souped up breakfast version. So let the pan come up nice and hot, and then we'll add the cornmeal, and then this will thicken all up. So just all we need to do is just sprinkle the cornmeal onto our milk. You could use water for this, but we're going to make it a wee bit lush here today. So that really is it there now. And what we want to do is just take that down, give it a really good stir, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and that'll give you a nice, really lovely porridge. You want a nice smooth porridge consistency. So we'll leave that and then come back to it. That's our yellow brochan finished now, so it's just nice and smooth, and you're getting that lovely smell of warm corn and just that nice wee bit of the honey through it. So we'll just plate this up then. We'll just take a nice bowl and then just spoon this in. And as I said, this would normally be boiling water, and it would have just been this would have been a meal really, but this is a nicer version. And then just a wee drizzle of cream just to hit in there, just over the top, the way you would with a porridge. A few raspberries, just over the top, so you get a nice bit of fruit. Or in Ulster-Scots, raspberries are raspberries, so there's an extra U in there. And then just a wee bit of another drizzle of the honey on top, just over the raspberries, over the top of the brochan. There we are. So this is a honey from the Mournes, but it's done in the Scottish style where they would keep the hives up in the heather. So it's a Mourne heather honey, very much like what you get in the Highlands, and absolutely it's lovely. So there we are. That's our yellow brochan with raspberries and heather honey.